speak about artificial intelligence in health and fitness. My name is Svetlana Samko, and I am Technical Project Manager, founder of W2 Business Academy for QA developers, Scrum Master, and STQB full-level advanced coach.
Hi, I'm Sagar Saxena. So currently I'm in my second year of PhD in explainable AI. And these are a few of my areas of interest: explainability in AI, time series data handling, neuroscience. And these are a few of my extracurriculars that I do. I'm a competitor in CrossFit and I coach.
Today, we will take a look differently on the way how we will present this presentation, and we will use build, measure, learn approach. We will learn some new data, get some ideas, and measure our knowledge at the end. So if we will take a look on advances for AI in healthcare, there are three major factors that should be considered. First is deep learning maturation or architecture in neural networks, localized computer power GPUs or TPUs, and a large-scale open source data set. As example, ImageNet.
So this is a machine learning based blood pressure prediction and recommendation. And you can see that the sensor data, there's a lot of data collection using different sensors, the vitals, blood pressure, heart rate, and the behavioral, how you're sleeping. And then all this data is fed into the machine learning typical pipeline. Data is pre-processed, normalized, machine learning models has been done. And depending on that, some features are extracted, and then the machine learning model predicts blood pressure and also provides a report relevant to the same. So here is another example where in fitness, sensor data from smart watches or smart trackers like Whoop or Garmin has been used. It's been showcased. So data using the PPG sensors, the light that blinks underneath your smartwatch, and that's a PPG sensor. It gathers the data and like your heart rate variability and how well you are fed, how the oxygen level is in your blood. Depending on that, few key metrics are extracted depending on the backend algorithm, which are pre-fed already. And then some assessments are done and a UI is presented for the end user on the, say, Garmin Connect app.
For some products that are using AI in fitness, there are two main categories: mobile or web application and smart equipment. Mobile web application, of course, you should install on your device, and smart equipment is to install in your home. So mobile web application is using camera, and you are doing some basic exercise, like example, squats, and camera is analyzing your movements and giving you some advices how to improve them. Smart equipment, for example, tonal or carbon trainer, is installed at your home, and you can use it to see should you increase load or decrease load, or some other advices could be given. Also, there are some professional training there that could give you additional advices.
So to conclude this short lightning talk, there are all the fitness trackers, which according to us currently focuses on providing an estimate. So basically the algorithm is already fed. There is no learning or intelligence gathering happening. And so it would be great to have a fitness tracker that, depending on your goal, provides a prediction. Okay, if you want to be the fittest person on earth or fittest man in a competition, what are the guidelines given your complete day-to-day work activities you need to do to reach the desired outcome? So that would be where, even if you want to reduce the blood pressure, what are the key takeaways you need to take care depending on the biomarkers that would help you elevate the blood pressure. So this is where we think AI in fitness and healthcare would be heading towards.
At the end, we are proposing you to scan this using QR code or use the link that is provided and measure your knowledge about AI. I hope you enjoyed our talk today.
Thank you so much for your time today.